In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a clearer view of your Typeform's questions. Navigating through Typeform's interface can initially feel a bit overwhelming, especially if you're new to it, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll be handling it like a pro. Let's dive right in. First, we're going to take a look at how you can view your questions in the Typeform Builder. When you open the Builder, you'll notice the Content panel situated on the left side of the screen. This panel provides an overview of all your questions, listed out sequentially. This setup is particularly handy for swiftly jumping from one question to another. If you need to modify or inspect a specific question, all you need to do is click on it, and it will open up for editing. This straightforward approach ensures that you can manage your questions efficiently without getting lost in the Builder. Now, let's move on to the right panel, which presents a more detailed view. Once you select a question from the left panel, you'll see all of its details appear on the right-hand side. Here, you have access to several important tabs: Question, Design, Logic, and Settings. Each tab provides a deep dive into the different aspects of how your question can be customized and configured. You might recall the old classic builder style that Typeform used, and this updated interface, while modern, maintains all of its functionality. It's designed to give you a smoother experience as you tweak your questions to better fit your survey's objectives. You might be wondering if it's possible to view all your questions on one page, much like a traditional form layout. Typeform's unique experience is built around showing one question at a time, which is designed to mimic a conversational flow, enhancing the interaction for the survey participant. This design choice means that, unfortunately, you can't display the full form in its entirety all at once for respondents. It's an integral part of what makes Typeform engaging and effective. Once you've configured your questions, you'll probably want to see how it all looks in action. That's where the preview function comes in handy. To do this, click on the play icon, often referred to as the preview icon in the toolbar. This lets you interact with your form as if you were a visitor. You can also switch to a mobile view by clicking the mobile icon, ensuring your form is just as intuitive on smartphones and tablets. One key thing to remember about preview mode is that it's strictly for testing purposes. It doesn't record any of the responses you input. So, before you start collecting real submissions, make sure that you've published your changes. This step is crucial because only published forms can capture actual data from respondents. And there you have it. You now have a comprehensive understanding of how Typeform's question navigation and previewing features work. Try these steps, and pretty soon you'll be seamlessly creating engaging forms. Thanks for watching, and happy typeforming!